this contemporary world, car has become an indispensable vehicle. Let's see what problem arises in a car and what if the service center does not provide proper service to you, that is deficiency of service, what are the legal resorts available to us? First and foremost, you need to send a legal notice to the service partner or the service center stating the deficiency of services that has been rendered to you. Next, if you don't receive any reply to the legal notice, the next resort available to you is to file a complaint under section 35 of Consumer Protection Act. Yes, you need to file a complaint before the Consumer Court for the deficiency of service and untrade practice that has been rendered towards you. In similar circumstances, one of our client approached us stating that improper service was rendered to him while his car was given for service. So, in the first circumstance, when his car was given to the service center and when the car was delivered back, the client was shocked. He found out there was dentist and the car paint was peeled off. So, he did not know what to do. So, immediately he contacted the service center, stating the facts and deficiency of service provided by them. The service center promised that they will rectify the same. They asked him, our client, to leave back the car back in the service center. The same will be rectified and the car will be delivered to him on time. But on the subsequent service, the car was not delivered to the client on time. And important thing is that the car was used by the service center for their own purpose, personal use, which is an unfair trade practice done by the service center. Again, what happened? The car after delivered back to the client. When the car was delivered back to the client, happened to go to Madurai. So, in that point in time, the car stopped in the middle of the road. I did not know because the car just got back from service. Immediately, he made a call to the roadside assistance, and after inspecting the problem in the car, the roadside assistant stated that the battery has to be replaced. He has to pay a sum of 13,000 as an additional fee for the replacement of the battery. Client having no other choice, he had to again give the car to the nearby service center in Madurai. The battery was replaced back in the car. In this set of facts, the client approached us for a legal remedy. So, immediately what we did was we sent a legal notice to the service center. But for the same, we did not receive any response. So, the next step would be that we filed a complaint under section 35 of the Consumer Protection Act. After long adjudication and appreciating the facts and merits of the case, the Honorable Consumer Commission passed an order saying 5 lakhs towards the mental agony that has been caused to our client and 20,000 towards the litigation expenses that were spent by our clients. If you are facing such deficiency of service by the service centers and service partners, yes, you do have a legal remedy wherein you can approach the Consumer Commission, file a complaint before them, get your legal rights sorted before the forum.